Hello everyone, in today's video, I'll show you how to transfer Ethereum from Coinbase to your Coinbase wallet. Coinbase is a cryptocurrency exchange where you can buy, sell, and store crypto like Ethereum. Coinbase Wallet is a separate app that gives you full control of your assets and private keys. Moving Ethereum from Coinbase to your wallet gives you more control and lets you use it for decentralized apps or secure storage. First, make sure both the Coinbase app and the Coinbase Wallet app are installed on your phone. Open the Coinbase app and sign in with your email and password. On the home screen, scroll to find Ethereum and tap on it. This opens your Ethereum wallet. Next, look for the Send or Transfer button. Tap it. When asked where to send your Ethereum, choose the option to transfer to Coinbase Wallet. After your wallet is connected, enter the amount of Ethereum you want to send. You can send all or just a part of it. Double check the amount and remember there will be a small network fee. Tap Preview to see the transaction details. Review the information, and if everything looks correct, tap Send Now. Complete any two-step verification if required. Your Ethereum will now start transferring to your Coinbase wallet. The process might take a few minutes depending on network activity. You'll get a confirmation once the transfer is complete, and that's it. You've successfully transferred your Ethereum from Coinbase to Coinbase Wallet.